Yo, what is going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Now you're probably wondering why the hell am I dressed like this, with TikTok and China in general are going to hate me for this video. Anyway, basically guys, I'm going to be showing you how to get free TikTok followers, and you can get up to 5,000 free followers in a matter of minutes. This is no hack. It's not going to get your account banned or anything like that. This is just a genuine 5,000 free followers, and it takes a few minutes. It's really easy and your account is going to be completely safe. So I discovered this method because I was close to just quitting TikTok, but I decided, hey, why don't I give it one last try? And I searched of a method how to grow my account, and this is the best way that I've found, and it's so easy. Everyone can do this. Okay, so let's show you how to get your TikTok followers. So you've got to open up the internet on your phone and go to www.wavycoupons.com. Wavycoupons.com, guys. You got to go here. Pretty cool website. They have lots and lots of different stuff on here. Go to search bar, type TikTok. Free TikTok followers. You can get up to 5,000 followers. You can see this is highly rated as well. Working for 2024. Plus 5,000 free genuine TikTok followers. So you got to press get followers, guys. And then you need to enter in your TikTok user ID, so your username. So let me just punch in mine, Smithy Bones 77. Press connect. So it's going to basically just confirm that you are actually a valid user on TikTok. Obviously, if you put in a fake username, it's not going to find you. And now you need to select which platform. So I use an iPhone, so iOS for me, and then tick a free TikTok follower button. That's just confirming and connecting to your account. Takes a few seconds. Pretty easy. Okay, so finalizing unlock. Before our system provides you free TikTok followers, you need to pass this verification step. This is to confirm you're not a bot. So basically, guys, you need to click on verify now and this button here, and it's going to bring up a set of instructions. It tells you how to verify yourself. It takes around 5 minutes. So yeah. And that's going to get you your followers. So just follow all of the instructions. I'm not going to do it. I've already got pretty much, I think I've got about 300,000 followers, so I don't need any more. But yeah, it's pretty easy. You just got to follow through the instructions and steps, and that's going to get you 5,000 followers. Once you've fully completed this verification step, it basically will take 5 to 10 minutes. And yeah, once you've done that, it's going to add your followers. It takes about a day for your followers to fully deliver. But yeah, that's going to get you 5,000 genuine followers. So there are real people that interact with your account. So yeah, you got to go to wavycoupons.com and just search for the TikTok page and follow through all of the instructions, and yeah, that's going to get you your 5,000. So enjoy, guys, and I'll see you next time.